Tried to shoot it with my right hand, like
gotta wrap
push
up the
it.
kitty. No, I gotta wrap up the kitty. Oh, let's wrap up the kitty. Can I have a ball, please? This present keeps biting the wrapping paper. Oh, no!
That's giving live animals.
We're giving her away.
No! She's my kitty. You're wrong. Okay.
You can tell her not to bite on it. Wrapping it around. What are you doing, Gina Lou?
Okay,
put a label on her.
Which tag? Which tag?
I need
do
a
the
tag
Santa.
for this one.
Do the Santa.
Tag for that one. Hang on. Oh, no. Oh, she keeps unwrapping herself too early.
Yes.
Grrr.
Look at my foot. What the heck? This is just a normal day in my house, believe it or not.
Yeah. Grrr. Oh wait, she gotta lick herself first.
Well, we wrap Christmas presents every day.
Yeah.
Oh no, we're taking a bubble.
No. Oh, let's wrap up the tail. Grr, 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 grr. Yeah.
You're making her mad.
I know that.
She's trying to clean herself, and you keep making her dirty again. Gold?